In this video, you will learn how to access and use Google Calendar in Gmail. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch your Google Chrome web browser. As your browser opens, visit gmail.com and log in. Once you log in successfully, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Alright? So, why this integration is to make things easy for you while using your Gmail. Maybe there is an email that comes in and you need to add it as an event, or you need to let Gmail remind you about it later. All right. So let's start from with accessing the calendar. Look at Google Calendar here. So when you click on it, it will show up. As it shows up, it tells you about today, which is March 23, 2026. Maybe you want to have something to do at around 4 p.m. You just click on the time. Okay, so you can see from 3:30 to 4 p.m. this is going to remind you of something to 4:30 p.m. And let's say I want to do my dishes, all right? Or let's say quick meeting. So just type in what you want to do within this time range. All right. After that, you click on save. If you want to add some other details, maybe guest, you want have another person's Gmail address you want to add, you select this, or add Google Meet video conferencing, add location, description, and the rest. But I believe you're the one that want to add this, so you know what it is all about. So click on save. By 3:30 to 4:30 p.m., you will get a notification that you have something to do. But maybe you have an event you want to schedule from here. You can still do it. Okay, let me close this. Once you log into your Gmail inbox, just click on the calendar icon, then select a date. So click on this. Maybe I have something that is coming up by 25th, which is in 2 days from now. I'll click on that. All right, it shows me different times of the day. So I want it to remind me about this. Well, let's say I want to start it by 9 a.m. I'll click on the time. So once I click on the time, it shows up. So here, let's call it conference. So this is going to remind me of employees conference, okay, by Wednesday, 25th March 2026, within this time range. So if you want to add a guest, click and add the email address. If you want to enable this, click this and add some few things, add location. So I'll click on location here. The location is going to be Lagos, Nigeria. All right. So you know where you are. So choose that particular place. All right. So this is Lagos, Nigeria. I don't even know they have Lagos in Portugal. All right. But let's go with Lagos, Nigeria. So that's the location in this case. I can add few descriptions if I want to do so, but there is no need for that. So once you finish adding these details, click on save. So once this day and this time has come, I will be notified in my email about this. So this is how to access Google Calendar in your Gmail account and also schedule events from there. Okay, you can experiment more by clicking on this, scroll down, or clicking on this to choose a particular month. Right. So once you get to this particular month, choose the particular date and do your thing. All right. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button, the one that points up, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.